Hello friends, welcome back to my review channel. There are stories where the truth comes like a whisper, but in the Tashakbu Danish the truth comes like thunder over the Black Sea. It does not ask permission, it does not wait for the right time, it arrives when for the right time everyone is already bleeding. Adil spent years believing he knew his enemies. He believed he understood Asmi. He believed the war between the families had clear lines. But now those lines are gone. The girl standing in the middle of the storm is not just a stranger. She is not just a victim, she is Eleni, and her name who carries the weight of the lost daughter and broken mother and a father who has just awakened too late. Asmi's blood has changed everything. In one moment, all the hidden emotions came to the surface. Love, regret, fear, anger, and guilt all collided at once. A woman who carried the secret for years is now silent in a hospital bed. A man who wanted answers is now losing himself in the search. A daughter who wanted belonging is now trapped inside a war she never chooses. And somewhere in the shadows stands Sarif, a man who knows that choices is easier to control than peace. And even Sarif may not understand what he has created because Adil is no longer only Adil Kokari, the proud leader and old enemy. He is becoming a father, and a father who discovers his child through pain can become more dangerous than any warriors. Latest episode will not simply ask whether Asmi survives, it will ask whether love can survive betrayal. It will ask whether Eleni can forgive the people who built her life on silence. It will ask whether Adil can protect his daughter without destroying himself. The sea is rising, the families are shaking, the past is no longer behind them, it is standing in front of them, demanding payment, and now everyone must choose between revenge and fatherhood. Viewers, like my video and subscribe my channel for more updates.